In this video, I'm going to show you some of what I've been building with Claude Code. I just ran out of tokens for the next 36 minutes, so I'll take this time to just do a little video. I won't do a live demonstration at this time, but I'll just show you what we have. So this is the Mission Control Center here. And in this last 4 hour, 3.5 hour session, I basically got this voice orb here where I can talk to it. It talks back in a pretty high quality voice. It does take about 30 seconds to respond, so I'm working on getting it quicker, but it has full functionality just as if I was typing through the chat right here, okay? And it can do terminal commands, it can run AI agents, it can check my CRM. I do have some agents over here. I'm gonna optimize these as well. Moneymaker, CRM specialist, social marketer, operational manager, and the whiteboard is basically to maintain persistent state, what we've done, where we at, what we're going to do. Sessions is self-explanatory. Cron jobs or chronological scheduled tasks. Kanban is where I can do to-do list things. The architecture of the system is here. Okay, you can see the last run was Moneymaker 2 hours ago, and then chat. So I haven't actually messed with my mission control for over 5 days, but you can see I could go to the agents there and I could basically get my updates. It's working. I can execute the agents also live. But the main thing that I did with this in this session was I got this cool looking orb. It looks way better now. And voice to voice mode, I upgraded the voice. It was robotic before, so now it sounds good. And another thing I did is I have a few sessions opened over here. So one of these is basically I had in this conversation 8 lessons simultaneously, 8 AI agents. It looks like it might have compressed the convo. 8 AI agents simultaneously spun up lessons. So I'm going through and I'm checking all of those lessons now. And I also had an AI agent create a whole course for me, basically. This is where I was problem solving with the mission control, which I've created this myself. Basically, this is not open source code that I got from GitHub, running my own server and all of that. So the other thing I could show you is the course that it built out. Well, that wasn't this session, so I won't show you that, but I'll show you this what it did because this was this last session. So it pushed all of the outline to my course creator where I will be monetizing here, and it's actually very high quality. So you'll see 16 lessons so far, and I didn't do any of this. So this is connected via MCP. This is my CRM, and I just told it what I wanted it to do, and it literally went into my account and it created all of these lessons. And if we click into this first one, next I'm going to have it also do a really cool AI image right there for each lesson. And then the video's dope. And then I need to make these longer and better. Okay. As far as the description goes, that's really quite easy. But the AI made the videos as well. So I did this with Remotion and Model Context Protocol. Told it what I wanted. And then I saved it as a skill with Claude Code so I can use it over and over again. And you can see it's high quality.
What if I told you there's an AI that doesn't just talk, it actually does the work? Most people use AI like a search engine. They open ChatGPT, they copy, they paste, they copy, they paste, and they think that's AI. Lesson. You create something, you'll have a complete AI system running on your machine. Not a toy, not a demo, a real system that does real work for you. And here's why this matters.
So this is an interactive course, actually. It's really dope, to be honest. I'm learning myself as I'm building it and going through it. Like the last lesson, I could even show you where is right here, okay, is, let's see. This one is lesson 9, I believe. And this was launching agent teams. So lesson 9, run agent teams, okay? And then it teaches basically on AI agent teams compared to just running sub agents, okay? How you can spawn multiple agents at once. And this is an experimental thing, so it takes you through the process of just very simple, right? It's basically natural language conversation. It shows you here you have your team lead, you have 3 teammates underneath, and there's a shared task list and a mailbox. And then if you push shift and down with Claude Code, you could actually see the agents performing. So this is actually my course curriculum here. it's a program, an AI agent that I'm basically creating that's teaching you how to do this and all the fundamentals of possibly one of the most powerful AIs in the world right now. And then it's going to transition into actually building out your own customized system for you, which I'm actually doing now in real time. So this is one of the lessons. The lessons I like to keep them about 15 minutes so it's not overwhelming. So with this here, I chose the simpler one. So one was 3 agents running. This one was 2. So one agent was a hotel researcher. One was food and fun, planning a trip to San Diego. And it's pretty dope. So it did what it did. And then, like I said, I'm waiting for the context here. I could upgrade, but I'm not gonna. Right now, I'm on like the $125 plan or whatever right now. I may upgrade, but I just wasn't managing my context enough because that's really more than enough to do what you need to do, that $100 a month plan. So also, I'm building some things I'm going to be doing on the blockchain, which is going to be super dope, persistent state, things of that nature. So yeah, it spun up 8 lessons. I've went through 2 of them manually now to make sure that everything is correct, and I'm going through it to see the user experience. I'm also learning as I'm doing it, and the voice to voice mode is activated now. But the quality is actually, oh yeah, and then I pushed the course. So I literally created a course in one 3.5 hour session by myself, pushed a whole outline for my course, right? The first 7 lessons were done already. This just spun up the other 8 lessons or whatever, like this. 8 different agents did 8 lessons. They're pretty good. Obviously, I have to go through them and, fix the little things, make sure it's a smooth process and it's the optimal process, very high quality and premium. But push the whole course outline, right? Have my MCP, my Model Context Protocol API integrated with my CRM. I can read my context. I can basically talk to. So this is the vision. The vision is, right, is building out what works for me personally. And it will be useful for anybody wanting to do online business or business in general, because everything is going this way, agentic systems. But there's a lot of hype around tools and there's not really builders. I built this. This is not copied. I literally had an idea and I used the AI to build what I wanted and I'm going to evolve it, right? But these are Python agents right here, right now, and they're using Grok 4.1 fast reasoning and they're on cron schedule, so they run when they're supposed to. So that's not even, that's outside of Claude Code. That's outside of Anthropic API. That's using Grok 4.1 fast reasoning because it's like 15 times cheaper than Sonnet. And I don't have to have the terminal window open, and there's a few reasons. I'm just testing different things here. So yeah, I got the router here. I got these 4 here. The whiteboard is dope. Sessions, crons, right? Kanban, architecture laid out here, and then the chat. But the cool thing is, rather than being in the terminal like this, okay, which I use VS Code usually, like this, okay, so that way I could see my folder structure over here, right? I can collapse and see my folder structure of what I'm building, what I built. So it all depends on your preferred workflow. But as of now, this was my first one where I just threw a bunch of stuff out there. I broke things. I learned that's the best way to learn is by doing. And then I started a version 2 now, and I'm basically taking all the best things from all these hours that I put in over here, building out the front end mission control, the landing page for my site to convert the agents, the skills, the plugins, the lessons, the content, all these things that I just built. I mean, if we go to my skills, you got all these skills here. I got a agent creator, action taker, audit, competitor research, basically things that I actually need. And, Jarvis setup, prompts, self-improve, and now a lot of these you can get on GitHub, open source. So you don't have to build all your agents. You don't have to build your skills. There's packs you can get. I built a lot of my stuff to be honest, but I will be using existing agents. There's no point in recreating the wheel, right? But I do feel that when you're building yourself, at least some of what you're doing, you're really getting an extremely high value skill set. But yeah, so next will be I want to get my voice interaction quicker. So I want him to talk like within 5 seconds. I want him to talk back to me, which I'll get it there. And then this way, it'll also be on my phone. So as I'm go up and about, I could just talk and he'll talk back to me, and he'll be running terminal commands, running AI agents, checking my CRM, checking leads for the day, sending emails, sending SMS messages, telling me about competitor analysis, or posting content. You know, I mean, you can just imagine the value of a system that does this. But I would say having something that works for you and I see this as a life operating system, right? I think personal development is essential, and then also a business operating system. So let me know what you think. Comment, like, subscribe. I'll put details in the description, like my website, my offers, products, services. If you want to use this stuff, join my group, consult, offers, products, whatever it is. All the information you need will be in that link description on my website. Like, comment, subscribe. I hope to see you on the inside. Check me out. You know, come see what I got. If this is dope to you, you know, implement it, use it. There's a lot more, but this is just what I've done in this 3.5 hour session, and I'm going to continue building here.